everybody, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I am going to show you a very healthy recipe, chicken salad and chicken sandwich. But before I show you this, I want you all to do one thing. All the new viewers, kindly subscribe, view my videos. If you like, click on to thumbs up or the like button and share my videos with your family, friends and relatives. So let us see the ingredients required for today's recipe, that is chicken salad and chicken sandwiches. So here I have taken some chicken, boneless chicken, and I have blanched them using say about 2 bay leaves, then 1/2 inch cinnamon stick, then say about 5 to 6 black pepper corns, and say about 2 to 3 cloves. I have blanched them. Don't throw away the water because that water is full of nutrition. Okay, so you can drink that water and use chicken in the salad and the sandwiches. Now for the salad, I require some boiled corns. Then this is celery. I have chopped, see, this is a celery, this one. So I've taken this portion as well as these leaves. I've chopped them. Then one small onion chopped, roughly chopped, 1 capsicum and 1 tomato. Okay, and into that I'm going to add some paneer, and into that I'm going to add, this is called the, what you call, hung curd, or say sour cream, and mayonnaise. So now let us begin to make this salad. So into that I'm going to add chopped onion. I forgot mayonnaise. I'll just bring mayonnaise. So this is the mayonnaise that I am going to use, Hellmann's, and this chicken I have used of Godrej. Okay, now into the salad I have added these chopped onions, chopped celery. This gives a crunchiness. Both onion and the celery will give crunchiness and the color to the salad. Then for the color I'm going to add tomato. Now what I have done, I've cut the tomato and I've removed its pulp and only the skin part I have taken. So just for the color. Okay. Then I'm going to add, for crunchiness and color, again a green capsicum. In place of green capsicum you can add yellow or red capsicum also. And also I'm going to add some boiled corns. Okay, now into this I'm going to add now some crushed paneer. Now actually feta cheese was not available in the market to me, so that is why I'm using paneer. So into this salad actually the feta cheese goes. So I am just going to add some paneer. Okay. And this is very healthy version. Now even the chicken that I am using, like this, you remove its pieces, and then because some people won't like the diced one, because they are quite big. So here, okay, I'm going to add some 2 more. So say about half the katori that I have taken this boneless chicken, and this salad is to be served chilled, okay, not at room temperature. Okay, now this. Okay, then that's all. So much I have used, say about 5-6 pieces of chicken that I have used. I'll just wash my hand. Now into this I'm going to add mayonnaise. Okay, so this mayonnaise I'm taking 2 spoons of mayonnaise. Two. Okay, little more. I think I will need little more, so I'm using 3 spoons of mayonnaise. Okay, now into this hung curd, or say sour cream is there. If you don't have, you can use cream cheese also. So this I'm going to add. See, so thick. See, the water has come down in the katori. You can make hung curd like this also at the last minute. Now I'll mix this. This is the basic chicken recipe, and all at my place love this recipe like anything. This can be made at lunchtime, dinner time, can be taken into your office. It tastes yummy. Now into this I'm going to add a pinch of ground black pepper, little more for the taste, and the salt to taste. Now here I'm adding so much salt, just half for the taste. Okay, now I'll mix this, and here my chicken salad is all ready. Now this is to be served chilled. Okay, now I'll do one thing. I'll just taste for the salt. Okay, and I will adjust the salt into this. Now here I'm serving you into the lettuce leaves. So this is my chicken salad ready. Okay. You can garnish this salad, chicken salad, with some roughly or say finely chopped coriander. Okay. This is done. Now for the chicken sandwiches, now here I have taken some blanched or say boiled. Blanching means boiling. Okay. Now this blanched chicken I am taking. You have to crush it like this, or with fork you can thread it. This is called threading of the blanched chicken. Okay, now I've taken so much. Say this will be around 100 grams, 100 to 150 grams, you can say. Okay, now I've crushed them. Now into this, now I'm going to add I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Yes, so much mayonnaise. Okay. Then I'm going to add to it a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. If you want more, you can add more, okay? And that much only, so much salt. Because while blanching, I have added salt also to the chicken, so be careful. Now this I will mix. Okay, so here my filling for the sandwich, chicken sandwich, is ready. Sorry. Now I will take bread. Okay, 2 slices of the bread, and I'm going to trim off its sides. Trim off its sides. Okay, this is done. Now I'm going to apply butter. Here on both the slices, so you have to apply butter on both the slices. Now I'm going to fill this, my mixture of chicken. So much. Okay. Done. And over it, keep the slice on the top of it. And now I'm going to cut it triangular. And now I'm going to serve it into the plate. See, so nice it's looking, yummy, it tastes awesome. So this is my chicken sandwich is ready. If you like my recipe, please try and make this at home. Share your comments in the comments box and share my videos with your friends, family and relatives. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.